In question number 6, 4 vertices of parallelogram are given, and we have to find the value of x and y in the given coordinates. We know that diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. हम जानते हैं कि पैरेललोग्राम के डायगोनल्स एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. देन O will be the midpoint of AC as well as BD. O क्या होगा? AC का भी midpoint होगा और BD का भी midpoint होगा. ठीक. अब then first of all for AC we will find the coordinate of O. Let coordinate of O is equal to h comma k. This will be same for AC as well as BD. Then for AC, h is equal to 1 plus x upon 2 and k is equal to 2 plus 6 upon 2. Okay. Now for BD, h is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 and k is equal to 5 plus y upon 2. अब वैल्यू ऑफ h एंड k विल बी सेम. हमने जो h को k निकाले हैं AC के लिए भी वही होंगे और BD के लिए भी वही होंगे. इसलिए वैल्यू ऑफ h विल बी इक्वल टू फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एंड इक्वेशन थर्ड. देन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट इज इक्वल टू इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड. 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. Then 1 plus x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 6. Now similarly equation second is equal to equation number 4. Then 5 plus y upon 2 is equal to 4. 5 plus y is equal to 8. Then y is equal to 3. Then this will be the required solution. In the question number 7, we have to find the coordinate of point A, where AB is the diameter of the given circle and 2, minus 3 is the center and coordinate of B is 1, 4. Then we have to find the coordinate of A. Let coordinate of A is equal to h, k. We know that the center of any circle is always bisect the diameter. सर्कल का जो सेंटर होता है वो डायमीटर को ऑलवेज बाइसेक्ट करता है. क्यों करता है? बिकॉज OA इज द रेडियस एंड OB इज द रेडियस. देन OA इज इक्वल टू OB एंड AB इज इक्वल टू OA प्लस AB. Hence center of circle bisect the diameter. Then O will be the midpoint of diameter AB. Then h plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 and k plus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. Then we can easily find the value of h and k. This will be the required solution. In the given, AB is an line and coordinate of A is minus 2, minus 2. Coordinate of B is 2, minus 4 and given that AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. And we have to find the coordinate of point P. हमें point P के coordinate find करने हैं और हमको given क्या है? A के coordinate दे रखे हैं, B के coordinate दे रखे हैं और हमको दिया हुआ है given है कि AP is equal to 3 upon 7 BP. Then we have to find first of all we have to find M1 ratio M2. Let this is M1 and this is M2. What is AP is M1 and BP is M2. Clear? 7x 7x ठीक. क्लियर? देन गिवन है AP is equal to 3/7 AB. क्या किया हमने? डिवाइडेड AP बाय AP या dividing AB, equation first divided by AB, then AP upon AB is equal to 3 upon 7. रिवर्स कर दिया हमने इसको, न्यूमरेटर का डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर का न्यूमरेटर, देन AB upon AB is equal to 7 upon 3. AB upon AP minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3 minus 1. दोनों में से we subtract 1 from both sides. Subtracted 1 from both sides. LCM लिया इसका भी, then AB minus AP upon AP is equal to 7 minus 3 upon 3, so 4 upon 3. Now AB minus AP is BP. AB minus AB is BP by the required line. Then BP upon AP is equal to 4 upon 3. Now reverse the order, numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, then AP upon BP is equal to 3 upon 4. What is AP? AP is M1. What is BP? BP is M2. Then AP ratio BP is 3:4, then M1 ratio M2 is 3:4. इसके दो है तरीके जिसके जो समझ में आया उससे कर लेना. Now second method is this. Let AB is equal to 7x unit and AP is equal to 3x unit. अब what is BP? BP is AB minus AP. Then BP is equal to AP minus AP. What is AB is 7x and AP is 3x. Then BP is 4x unit. Now AP upon BP is equal to 3x upon 4x. X से x cancel out हो गया. Then AP ratio BP is equal to 3:4. Then M1 ratio M2 is equal to 3:4. Now easily we can find the coordinate of P by using a section formula. अब हम सेक्शन फॉर्मूला की हेल्प से जो हमने एक्सरसाइज नंबर फर्स्ट में पढ़ाया है उससे बड़े आसानी से हम H को के कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड कर लेंगे. In the given question number 9, here AB is line and we have to find the coordinates of point which divide the line into 4 equal parts. Points more than one. How many points? Points are 3. Let P, Q, R will be the required point which divide the line AB into 4 equal parts. Coordinate of A -2, 2. Coordinate of B 2, 8. अब P, Q, R 4 equal parts में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. Then M1, M2, M3, M4 all will be equal. M1 is equal to M2 is equal to M3 is equal to M4 and M1 plus M2 is equal to M3 plus M4. Hence Q will be the midpoint of line AB. Q क्या होगा? लाइन AB का midpoint हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये भी इक्वल है M1 M2 और M3 और M4 भी इक्वल है तो M1 plus M2 is equal to M3 plus M4. और Q क्या हो गया इसके? लाइन AB के मिड पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे. Q will be the midpoints of line AB. Then let points of P H1, K1, point of Q H2, K2, point of R H3, K3. Then points of Q H2 is equal to -2 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 0. Point of K2 is equal to 2 plus 8 upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. Then H2, K2 is equal to 0, 5. This will be the coordinate of point Q. Similarly, P is the midpoint of AQ because M1 is equal to M2. M1 और M2 क्या है? Equal है. Then P will be the midpoint of AQ and R will be the midpoint of QB because M3 is equal to M2. Then by the help of point Q, we will find the point of P and the coordinate of R. Finish.